How to delete Lyft account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Lyft account. Now the process is a bit complicated, so let me guide you through. You want to simply open up your Lyft application and you'll get an interface as you can see on the screen like this. You want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on it here, what you want to do is you want to tap on the help option that you can see above the settings option. Simply tap on help, and once you tap on help here, what you want to do is here you want to head into profile and account option, and under profile and account option you might get a delete account here option as well. Now in my case it's not here. If you tap on edit profile or account here, you'll be able to see delete my account option. Simply tap on delete my account, and if you scroll down below you want to tap on how to delete your account option here, and you want to simply tap on delete my account option. Once you tap on it here, you want to simply log into your account. Now here you can simply log into your account using your Google account or anything. In my case I'll just use my phone number here. Now as you can see, I've entered in my verification code and it's logging into my account. Now it's asking me to verify my identity. I'll just type in my email address here. Type in your email address, and once you type in your email address, tap on next. And here you can see, before you can proceed, you must read and agree to Lyft's terms of service. Simply tap on I agree here, and once you tap on I agree, it will prompt you to the account deletion page here. Now you can see you want to simply tap on delete account option, and you want to simply tap on start, and you want to select the region that you want to delete it. You want to tap on next again, and then you want to type the word delete here. You can see type the word delete in big letters, so you want to type the delete. And once you type in your delete here, you want to simply tap on delete account, and your account will be deleted. So this way you can delete your Lyft account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.